thank you, Patrick, and welcome to all of you, and thank you also to the European Internet Forum, which is the organization we organized this event together. And I don't want to repeat the points Patrick already made, because I fully agree on what he said. But I would like to add maybe one or two thoughts why I think it's interesting to have this event here in the European Parliament at that time now, because actually now the work is starting also on the digital topics here in the European Parliament, or maybe even more in the European Commission. We will hear a lot more of that from one of our experts later, and I think that we have chosen to discuss encryption and data protection related to law enforcement is quite interesting, because we will have a lot of discussions in the next years here in the Parliament, but also in the member states about these kind of topics. So we are not debating one file or one important digital topic, but we are discussing questions I think we can use later on in many of the digital debates we will have here in the European Parliament, and that's why I think it's very good to do that now at the beginning of this election term. And I'm very thankful for having a lot of very interesting experts here with us today, and as I see it, they should get the floor now, so we will get their knowledge for our discussions. And I think one important point is not just to listen to them, but also to have time to discuss together with them, to ask questions about their statements, and to come with different views on these kind of topics. And so now I think we should start with listening to our first expert, and that's Maximilian Schubert. Maximilian Schubert is the president of the EuroISPA, and he has, of course, very interesting perspective, and we try to have different perspectives from civil society, from the Commission, but also from the industry. And Maximilian is representing the industry on these kind of topics. And welcome here in the European Parliament. I'm very thankful for you to you that you are here with us, and now I'm really interested in hearing what kind of thoughts you have.